Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvin, welcome on my channel. Today I want to show you how to make central double decrease, or CDD. This is the pattern in which this braid was formed by a central double decrease. This is a double decrease. It takes away 2 stitches at a time, and it's not leaning in any side. Some sources say that it's leaning to the left side, but I really didn't notice it yet. So yeah, this decrease usually is being used in lace patterns like this, or I like to use it when I'm putting together, for example, 2 slits, and then I'm connecting these 2 pieces of fabric with the central double decrease. This is the dress that I am currently testing, and when it will be ready, when it will be released, I will put a link to the description of this video. Sometimes this decrease is having such sign in charts, CDD, and also it could be abbreviated like this: slip 2 K1 oh my god, slip 2 knit 1 pass 2 slip stitch over, or shortly pass 2 slip stitch over. Here I was making this pattern, and this stitch, yeah, for example, or this stitch, they are made by this central double decrease. So they're establishing the center of this pattern. And let's actually see how it's made. So here I need to make a yarn over first. So to make central double decrease, we need to slip 2 stitches from left needle, from picking up them from left to right, or as if to knit together. This is very important. Then we knit the next stitch from the left needle, and then again together we are passing this slipped stitch over this knitted one. Here it is. Let's do it once more. Slipping 2 stitches together, knitting 1, passing these 2 slipped stitches together over the knitted one. And a little tip for continental knitters who don't use Norwegian method for making purl stitches. So when they work flat, their right legs are behind, and in this case, yeah, when stitches are located like this, it's not convenient to slip them together, and it's not right for the front loops. So just change the positions so the right legs will be on front, and slip, knit, and pass them together. This is how it looks from the purl side, from the round side. This is actually all for today. Thanks for watching me. Follow my channel. I wish you a great summer. Goodbye.